Back! Back! So now you have discipline. The struggle is real. You start your dream project one day and can't find the right mindset to get back to it the next day. How do you create a way to work on your passion every single day? It's difficult, but not impossible. Because a lot of people do it, and I've done it. And now I will share with you how I always do it. I lose a lot of energy, and I've lost a lot of energy trying to find the motivation to start a new project, a new passion, a new book. We all have things that we love to do outside our regular life and job. We all have hobbies and we all want to do them. And this is how I created my graphic novel, The Emancipation Chronicles. So the motivation, I find it, but it's hard to keep it because it's not forever and I need to find it again. Sometimes it takes to the next day to find it again, and I need to find it every day. And I try to find different ways to find the motivation. And sometimes I don't find the ways, but I need to be motivated every day to go to work, go up, and do my stuff. Now that's a good way to lose your energy. Now there are ways to break the cycle. So here's how I do it. It's not perfect, it's not revolutionary, but it works for me. Now you need to start learning to perform without motivation. You don't need motivation because it only lasts for a couple of hours anyways. And it's emotion that destroys the motivation. It's the human feelings that we all have. You always think, I deserve to rest today. I worked too hard. I'll spend my time on my phone. I can do it tomorrow. So if motivation isn't eternal, so what is? You are eternal. You are with yourself every day, and you will be with yourself until the end of times. And with this, you do things that are only yours. Every day, you go up, you brush your teeth, you eat your breakfast, and you shower, you go to work, and not necessarily in that order. So we come to discipline. The result of discipline is what comes from your habits. Discipline is everything. So throw motivation out the window and start discipline. Start your discipline today. So now you have discipline. So when can you start your book? When can you start your project? When can you write your music? When you never be ready to start. So never put a date on it. It's not a day you can start. Because it's now that is reality and it is now that you should start. Close your eyes and shut up and just do it. And you don't need a plan for it, just start. Start drawing a character, start writing something about anything, just do it. You need to be physical active to do something. You start by moving. So pick up a paper and start drawing or writing or whatever it is you're doing. And start now. And if you do it every day, one character a day for 10 days, then you will have 10 drawings, 10 pages, and it's more than you had. You had 0 at the beginning. And it doesn't matter what they look like. You can always fix it later. But you have the foundation there now. You have started. Stephen King was once asked how he's so productive because he writes books all the time. And he said that he forces himself to write 6 pages every day. He just writes. He writes rubbish sometimes, but he writes 6 pages every day. That's his discipline. 6 pages. In 1 week, it makes 42 pages. And he don't care if he's tired. He don't want. He has a headache. He just does it anyways. 6 pages, dude. Now that is part of his habits, his discipline. And when you have the discipline, you need to remember one thing. That is very important. Never set goals for yourself. Never put a goal that before I'm 30, I need to finish this book, or before I'm 50, I need to have made all this music. Enjoy the process, because the process is ongoing. There's no finished goal in this. There will never be a final goal. It's an ongoing process. That is how I work, and I do it, and I find my discipline. I do it every day, no matter how boring it is, but mostly I enjoy it and have a good time with it. But the most important thing I will teach you right now, it is a mantra that I use, that there is no goals, only the journey. Anyways, that's how I work, and I hope you learned something from it. It's not perfect, but it's something to go on and try it. Throw motivation out the window and start your discipline today. So, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. How do you guys do it? How do you find the discipline? Write something down here on the comments, and I'd like to hear your stories. Well, take care, guys. I hope I will see you later. Take care. Have a happy Easter. Bye.